Hi, first grade. So today we are going to continue adding and subtracting, but I'm going to continue to use those quick tens. The numbers aren't necessarily just going to be easy tens, like 20, 30, 40, 50, those kind of things. They're going to be, we're going to be including ones too. So this first problem, I want you to just watch and just kind of see how I'm using those quick tens to help me figure out the answer. So if I have 30 plus 6, okay, I can easily draw that out. I can say 30, which is 3 quick tens, and then I have 6, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So what's my answer? 36. Okay, you can also look at that like 36 and just kind of say it. All right. Now, if I had something like 11 plus 10, what does that equal? Well, I can again draw it using my quick tens. So 11 is going to be 1 10 stick and a 1. And then my 10 is just going to be a 10 stick. So if I combine those, I have 2 10 sticks and a 1. Simple. 21. 2 10 sticks and a 1 to make 21. Okay. We're also going to start having things like, what about 17 plus 20? So again, 2 10 sticks over here for 20. We know that. And then if I have 17, so that's 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 ones. So right now you can just kind of see that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 7, so 37 would be my answer. Okay, so because you see those 3 10 sticks, and then you're counting your ones. If you count those tens first, it's kind of easier because all then you have to do is focus on the ones. Okay? And then last but not least, if I had something like 15 plus some number is going to give us 35. Okay. Well, 15 plus some number is going to give us 35. You can still do this using the quick tens. Make your 15. Okay. And you have to get up to 35 because that's going to be your answer. So if you have 10, okay, well, if we added another 10 stick, what would that be to this? So if I added another 10 stick, so we had 10 and 5, if I added another 10 stick, then that would be 25. And then if I added another 10 stick, it's going to equal what? 35. Well, is that what we needed it to get to? Yeah, then how many did we need to add? We needed to add 2 10 sticks, which is, another way of saying that is to add 20. Okay, so 15 plus 20 is going to give us 35. Okay, awesome. All right. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for you with adding tens, adding and subtracting tens within 40. I will be giving more, like for example, if we had something like 13 plus 7, okay, 13 plus 7. Well, if I had, here's my 10 stick and my 3 ones for 13, and then I had 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, now we got to count your ones. So we have 1 10 stick, which is going to give us 10. And then I have 3 and 7, which is going to give us, actually, this is going to give us another 10. So instead of being all these dots, it's actually going to make a 10 stick. So that whole, all these 3 plus 7 is 10, so it gives us a 10 stick. So a 10 stick plus a 10 stick is going to give us 2 10s, which equals 20. So 13 plus 7 is going to equal 20. Okay, so sometimes you will have that. Once you get 10 dots, that's going to give us our 10 stick, okay? Just like we had those 10 cubes stacked together. Well, once you have those 10, you can put those together to make the 10 stick. That's exactly what it equals, okay? Awesome. And then last one we'll do, let's do 23 plus 4.
So 23 plus 4. So same thing. I have 2 10 sticks and 1, 2, 3. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
So 2 10 sticks, 3 ones is going to give us 23. If I add the 4 over, so I have 2 10s plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 27 as our final answer. Okay? Awesome. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down a few problems for you again, so you can try to solve these on your own. And that will be it for the day. Okay. Then I'll do maybe like a challenge one.
Okay, so we have 38 plus 2. We have 32 plus 3. We have 21 plus 7. And then my challenge ones over here are going to be, let's see, 91 plus 5. And let's do 76 plus 4.
Okay, 76 plus 4. So those are the challenge, these are the 2 challenge ones. Whoops, can you see them? Okay. Those are the 2 challenge ones, and then these 3. Alrighty, have fun.